Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to set up a multiple currency account in Wise. So let's start. So for example, I'm here on my Wise account as you can see, and then I have Australian currency and Euro currency. And if you want to add another currency here on your account, you can click here on add a currency to your account. Just click here on the plus symbol, and then you can click here on open balance and etc. So here you can choose the currency. There are many currencies available on Wise. So for example, if you want to select one of them, just select it and then confirm it, and that's it. You can add it. So you add USA currency here on your Wise account, and that is how it works. Now if you go here, you can see that you add US, and here is the Australian, the Euro currency, and now USD. So if you want to add another, the same way, you click plus symbol and then you add on balance and select the new currency here. So that's the way to work. I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.